Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'll be showing you how to add text to speech to our video on CapCut PC. Okay, here I have created a project on my CapCut PC, and let's just add a text first to our video. So we can tap on the text option, and I'm going to select the default text, and I'm going to paste text to this column. Okay, and wait for a moment. I'm going to adjust it. I'm going to reduce the font size, and I'm going to change the color as well. Alright, and if you want to add text to speech to this video, we can click on text to speech right here. Then you can select the type of the voice that you want to use, and here a bunch of a voice that we can use for our text to speech, and we can try it one by one.
Just stay with me in every season. Just stay with me.
You can choose it as you like, and I'm gonna go with this one.
Just stay with me in every
Okay, and we
season.
can
In
click
winter,
on start
autumn,
reading.
spring.
And just wait for a moment. Alright, and now the text to speed has been applied to our video, and you can delete this text, or you can make it stay on your video, and I'm just going to make it align with my video. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the final result.
Just stay with me in every season. In winter, autumn, spring, and summer.
And I guess that's how we can add text to speech to our video on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.